I know everyone wants to see the Evo 8 get tuned and see how much power it makes, but because of the injectors we put in there, we have to do an injector resistor bypass, something like that. They're high, what were they, high Z or something, high Z injectors, DW 1300s. So the car is like sputtering out down low, and the tuner thinks it's because I don't have that injector relay bypassed. We're waiting on that part. It's not in yet. What we're gonna be doing today is a little bit more work on the FRS. I'm actually gonna be driving the car for the first time on like a long distance. I'll probably put like 200-300 miles on the car today. Let's jump in the shop with, finish up a few things that we didn't really finish last night, and then we can head out. So basically I need to secure this underglow, kind of redo some of the wiring underneath the car so it's not dragging. And then we replaced this bag yesterday, and every time I air out it sounds like it's squeaking, and I'm guessing it's hitting on the body somewhere. So I'm gonna pull that wheel off, pull the bag off real quick. It's a brand new bag, so I don't want to destroy it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's get after it, and then we can take this thing out and give her a shakedown, another shakedown, and see how it goes. I'm digging this underglow though. It seems like a lot of you guys liked it as well. Go pick up a kit. They're pretty dang cheap for what you get. Lit Light has always had really nice parts and products. So you can see right up in there, some of the coating is worn off. That means it's hitting a little bit right there, a little bit right there. The end link has always hit right there, just when you turn, not really a big deal. I think it'll just wear itself out eventually. Yeah, this is the price you gotta pay with a lot of freaking camera. Kind of annoying, honestly. All right, we're all good to go there. That completely fixed the problem. I don't hear it hitting anymore. I do need to go back in there and clean some things up, but we're kind of running out of time. All we gotta do, torque all the lug nuts on the wheels, and we can head out. I thought I got that squeak fixed from the airbag. Turns out it's still there. I know the bag is not hitting the body of the car. I completely uncamered it with the camera plate, and it was still making that noise. But I ran out of time trying to diagnose what was going on. It didn't do it before, and it does it now, so I'm kind of thinking it has something to do with the new bag. Maybe it's not broken in yet or something. I don't really know. Right now we are headed to Spokane. First time taking the car to Spokane on the new setup, so I'm excited to see how everything goes. We are gonna go get the windshield replaced and possibly tinted today as well. I'm really excited for you Spokane people, the local homies here at Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, to show you guys this windshield replacement shop. They're definitely the cheapest in Spokane. I've used them before. They do amazing work. So yeah, let's head over there, say what's up to my boys, and get this cracked windshield replaced. Alright guys, so we're here at Northwest Auto Glass. I came to them probably like 6 months ago, first with the STI. They were the cheapest in Spokane, and they did really quality work. So guys, if you're here local to Spokane or Coeur d'Alene, make sure you come check them out. I'll have their info on the screen for you guys. All right, guys, we're all finished up with getting the windshield replaced. One of the guys that works here has this E90 diesel. So is it a 330D? Is that what it's called?
335D.
335D.
Yeah.
And this thing makes some pretty damn good power. What'd you say for torque? Like
650?
650 torque and like 400 horse, which is absolutely crazy. Holy shit, dude. So smooth, too. It's just like, it's not like my Evo where it's all top end.
Yeah, it pulls all through like 2 all the way to the red line.
Yeah, that's so sick, dude. Damn, I'm jealous. Dude, that's sick. It sounds so good too.
Yeah, when it's like it's basically a Cummins setup. It's inline 6, but it's a 3 liter, so it's smaller.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. All right, send it, bro. Oh my gosh. That is so damn sick. A fast diesel BMW. Damn, I'm jealous. Dude, that was badass. Awesome.
Excellent. Thank you.
Perfect. Yeah, thank you guys so much.
Yeah.
See you guys. What you see?
I like what I see. Whoa.
I like what I see, huh? What are we doing?
Checkup.
Because you're sick?
Because I'm sick.
You like my new windshield though?
Yeah, it looks so good. It was time.
I know, and then Alex wants to tint it today, and then Brandon's out here and he wants to shoot, and George wants to shoot, and Garrett wants to shoot.
Holy crap.
I don't have my control arms yet though, so I'm not that low in the rear. Okay, maybe I should use my ride.
Thank you.
Alright, so here's the plan, boys. Windshield's done. Shout out to Northwest Auto Glass for banging that out. Looks absolutely amazing, and it was fast. And yeah, I rode on the diesel BMW and it hauled ass too. It's pretty sick. So what we're doing right now, Bobby is going to her appointment. I'm gonna bring her there. It's pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah.
And then you want to come to Elko with me?
It depends how I feel. I haven't taken any medicine today, so I feel like shit right now.
Depending on how Bobby feels. But we're already gonna be down there. It'd be really nice if you came.
I know.
And you could.
But baby, like when I can't see straight, it really sucks. Like everything is so fuzzy right now.
Including your head.
Yeah.
All right, so
Do you
Bobby.
want to see my tits?
No, babe. I'm trying to vlog here. My whole life isn't about your titties.
Okay.
If Bobby feels fine, we're gonna go to Elko. If not, I'm come back up, drop Bobby off, and then go to Elko. Deal?
Yeah, thank you.
So, yeah. Goodbye. How did your appointment go?
Good.
Wow, you're enthusiastic. Before I do that, I'm gonna take my pinstripe off. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. No matter what I do, it doesn't stick. Should we eat at Fred Meyer? They have really good food here.
Okay.
Ooh. Damn, boy. You like it?
It smells like doctor's office.
This smells like a Type R in here.
Yeah.
It looks good.
What's up, man?
You like it, babe?
Yeah.
Pretty sick, man.
Yeah.
Facts, dude. Should I pick one up for the channel? Comment down below if you think I should. Trade in the Genesis for one. Would you?
No.
This thing's pretty fiery. Bobby and I have always agreed. The front looks killer on these cars. The rear, it looks good with the wing. There's just something about the rear though, huh? That just, you know, it kind of throws me a little sideways. Like this.
Okay, baby.
All right. So we are here at Elko Tint Shop, as usual. We're always here. And Alex, my boy, is gonna be tinting the windshield a little bit, not very dark. And then the top strip, I think, is gonna be a 5%. Like, we're doing all the lips, huh?
Yep.
You have it done in yours?
Yes.
Sick.
A little crooked, baby. A little crooked.
Oh, good. The legend himself. What are you guys doing on the Type R? Tint and...
Well, we did the whole tint and we did the whole clear brown, the whole front end.
You're really in awe about the windshield.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yours has a weird like tint to it.
It's like a blue.
It's like teal, yeah. That's how that old one was, remember?
Yeah.
What is that, like 6-inch?
Yeah.
Do you like 6-inch?
Babe, but what the frick? You want me to punch you?
You like 2-inch.
I can't punch right now, or I would punch you hard.
Like I said, bro, bigger the better.
It's about like 1/3 of the windshield.
Okay, that works. What do you think? Is that good? It's your car.
Yeah, it looks good.
There's somebody in my car right now and I can't even see their head.
I don't know.
Watch me get pulled over, pulling out of here. What do you
I
got?
can see my butt.
Your butt?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah.
Looks so good.
Looks so good.
So good.
Rate it 1 out of 10.
10.
That's so much better, bro. Hell yeah, boys!
You like it?
That makes me want to do a push-up. And you're gonna get the heat rejection too.
That's what I'm gonna
85%.
I'm
Yep.
excited for that.
So when you're driving, you're not gonna feel, no heat on your knuckles.
Or when it's sitting there and you get in this.
Oh yeah, the dashboard, the seats are not gonna be as hot as they used to.
Well, boys, check it out. Check it out. Looks sick as F. Huge shout out to Elko once again. Shout out to Elko and shout out to Spokane or Northwest Auto Glass. Can't even talk straight. Did an amazing, both of them are amazing shops here in Spokane. You guys know I don't promote shitty companies. Ooh. Airlift, what's up, bro? You got squeaking on me. So yeah, if you're local, make sure you hit up Elko for tint or wrap if you don't want to do it yourself. And Northwest Auto Glass if you want a brand ass new windshield for probably the best prices in Spokane. 150 bucks installed. It's like 160 after tax for most cars. Damn good deal. All right, we're gonna go meet up with my boy Brandon Washington from Seattle for a photo shoot. George Aragon is coming as well, and Bobby is
Coming too.
So let's head back to the apartment. I need a shower. I smell like poop because I work. Am I not allowed to say I smell like poop?
No, you're just getting spit bubbles in the side.
I was
Because
getting
you're
really,
talking too much.
I was getting really excited. Yeah, let's go do photo shoot things. Goodbye. Sam, boy. All right, we are back at the apartment now. We got George here and Brandon here from Seattle. The FRS is a bit dirty, but they have some detail spray so we can get it cleaned up. What's up, Brandon?
Hi.
Hi, Georgie.
Hi.
All right, so both these guys are really, really good photographers. I'll have them on the screen. Brandon's from Seattle and George is from Spokane. You guys have seen both of them a million times on the channel. What's up, Bob?
Hi.
Bobby's a photographer too. You can go check it out on Instagram. She's pretty fire.
Thanks.
Yeah. Sounds like rice.
It is rice.
We are here in this absolutely gorgeous location, located in the heart and soul of Liberty Lake, Washington.
Washington.
Is that where the fire is? Yeah, it looks like it. You can literally see right there is a fire, and it makes for a pretty fiery backdrop.
Mm-hmm.
This is sick.
It is.
Huge shout out to George for showing us this dope spot. What do you think, Brandon? Sick? I thought so. The car is absolutely disgusting. Almost as disgusting as your head. No, for real, the car's pretty damn dirty. Thank God. Is that bad to say? Thank God. It is? Thankfully, George, Mr. Porgy Georgie, what is wrong with me tonight? He has some detail spray and some rags. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the car, get it nice and spiffy, and let the two photographers work their magic. Well, later tonight, if we have time, underglow, rollers, low equals fire. What's your favorite whip?
Well, yeah, babe. I like yours the most.
Yes! I win 10 points.
Look out.
You got some fire photos today?
Yes.
Thank you, bro. Go follow this man. What's the level of saucy photos you got today?
0, dude. I don't know how to take pictures.
Go follow this man as well.
Yes, please. Give me to 100K subs. I'm almost there.
Yeah, get him to 100K. Well, as soon as we make this video, we're making a video of the FRS and it's gonna be sick as hell.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a 5 million view video.
At least 5 million. Dude, if mine hit 4 million, yours can hit 5 million.
How does this shit work? So you don't slide it in, you just plop it in there. I'm used to sliding stuff in.
I was just gonna fucking say that, dude. Damn, that right there is just fire, dude. I love how the taillights reflect off the wing. It's so sick. All right, so we're back home now. It's the next day, and guys, it's been super hot outside, about 95, anywhere from 95 to 105 degrees yesterday. So it was really dang hot out, and it was nice to test out this windshield tint. Not only is it a little bit darker, honestly guys, it's not all that dark. It could have been definitely darker, but I didn't want to deal with like the police, right? So not only is it a little bit darker, makes the car look better, it rejects 85% of heat that goes into the windshield. And if you go to Elko Tint Shop, he has like a bunch of different levels of tint. It's really nice. It honestly is really nice. It's one of the main reasons I got it. And yeah, as you can see, it makes it look so much better. So once again, huge shout out to Elko. Huge shout out to Northwest Auto Glass for getting me hooked up, getting this thing looking mint like it should. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.